This is question 2 of the chapter labeled Ordinary Least Squares, part of the regression model book. This question says to center the father and son variables and refit the model, omitting the intercept, and see if the slope estimate stays the same. So please watch the previous question to see about loading the data and making the definitions. I've already defined x and y as the father's height and the son's height for y, and father's heights for x. So we've already fit this model here with fit done that way, and if I do summary fit, we see that the father's height coefficient from the linear regression model is at 0.514. Now let's go ahead and refit the model with the centered variables and show that it's the same. So I'm going to create a variable called x-centered. I'm going to create a variable called x-centered, which is just x minus the mean of x. And I'm going to create a variable called y-centered, which is just y minus the mean of y. We know that the slope coefficient is just the sum of xc times y sub c divided by sum xc squared. And we see that we get 0.514, exactly as before. We could also do LM with YC as the outcome and XC as the predictor, and subtracting out the intercept, and we see that we get 0.514.